Hello everyone and welcome back to Advent with Emilee. Today we are on day 6, going through the NYX Advent calendar every single day using the product of the day to create a new look. So today's product is the NYX Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Brunch Drunk. It's this gorgeous plumping lip gloss. It's like a clear lip gloss with loads of different peachy shimmers in it, and I can definitely feel it plumping my lips. So yeah, I created this kind of soft glam almond eye, tiger eye kind of, you know, smoky look. So if you'd like to see how to create this look, then carry on watching. Make sure you subscribe and give the video a like, and let's get on with the video. So as you can see, I've finally decorated for Christmas. I'm obsessed. But yeah, so today's product is this lip gloss. So I'm thinking of doing like a soft glam kind of vibe with like a really smoky big wing. Like I just want something really, really glam, really easy, and just a bit more subtle, because I want to do looks in this series that are like really bright and dramatic, but then I also want to do something that are like, you know, kind of soft, kind of wearable, something that not just a colour lover would love. So yeah, and I thought this gloss was absolutely stunning. Like I don't even know if you can tell how beautiful this is. Also, please ignore my dry shampoo. It's kind of, I need my roots doing, okay? I need them doing. But yeah. So of course my cat's decided to join me, because when does she not? Hello. Hello. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my PLouise base as always. So yeah, I'm just going to pat this into my eye to prime all of my lids. I use the shade 1. So I'm going to use this palette today to do my eyes. I was going to use my Conspiracy palette, but I've kind of like, I think I've like overkilled you with that, so I thought I would go on to a different palette. This is my Morphe by Jeffree Star palette. As you can see, it's got some really pretty neutrals, it's got some pretty brights in it. I really like all of these shimmers here, they're really, really pretty, and it's got a really, really good black. Like this black is one of the best blacks I've ever used. My cat is like throwing a fit. She's like, I want to go outside, but then as soon as I let her outside in my room and I shut the door, she's like, I want to come back in. And then I let her back in and I shut the door and she's like, I want to go out. And I'm like, come on, please make your mind up. You know, sit by my feet, sit on my lap, do what you want, take a little nap. But, you know. So I'm actually going to apply some tape just to get the wing like really, really sharp. This is my favourite way to do winged eyeliner because I'm just terrible and still don't have a gel or a liner. So I'm going to be using a pencil again and some powder. So yeah, as you can see, I'm kind of lining it up with the bottom lash line, but I'm leaving a gap where my lower lash line is so that it can connect, so it doesn't just like look really like, I don't know how to explain it, like, so the wing will connect to the lower lash line so it'll look more cohesive, as opposed to just being like a really sharp edge right on the thing and it can't really blend into anything. But yeah, just follow the natural line of your lower lash line. So I'm actually going to start with my black liner. This is the Barry M Kohl Black Pencil, and I'm just going to start by lining my upper lash line really messily, about 2/3 of the way in, and then I'm just going to bring this up and just kind of build a wing shape very roughly. You want to use something that's like really, really creamy for this. So I'm then going to go in with this really, really tiny, stiff kind of packing brush, and this is going to really help to smudge out the black. And I'm going to go in with the black, and first I'm just going to pat directly on top of the liner just to set it. And when I'm doing this bit, I'm going to also connect the inner corner, just a really thin line. And then just going to take this tiny, tiny little brush, and I'm not going to take any excess, but I'm just going to start blending over those edges. By doing this, the black will still stay stuck onto the black liner, but the excess will kind of start smoking out, which will create this really nice like smoky wing. You want to use a really, really tiny brush for this, otherwise obviously because it's black it will go everywhere and create a bit of a mess, and we don't want that. And you want to do the smokiness kind of like to where the colour bit of your eye ends, so this section here, as you can see, like this is like the inner portion of where my colour bit ends. You want to stop this smoking out here. I'm going to add a tiny bit of depth, so I'm going to go in with the shade Mr. Diva, which is this one here. It looks really warm on camera, but it's not too warm. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this and just blend this through my crease on a really large brush, just to add a tiny bit of depth in the crease. So I've just peeled off the tape, and as you can see it's a really sharp edge. I'm just going to go back in with a tiny bit more of this brown colour just to kind of blend into the edges of the black. Also, as I'm filming this, I just got a PR package from Sleek. Right, so for the shimmer shade on my lid, I'm going to go in with the shade Rolls with it, which is this one here. And I think I'm going to apply some of this shade here, which is Designer Label. I'm just taking it on like more of a fluffy kind of packing brush. I want it to be like really soft and dispersed. So yeah, I'm just going to pack this on. And then I'm just going to take some of Designer Label and put that on top. So I'm just putting this all over my lid space and then above my lid space a bit into the crease. And then just kind of using the edges of the brush to blend that into the crease colour. I'm going to take some of Designer Label and mix it with the shade Welcome and put that directly on the centre, just for like a bit more of like a shimmery pop. It's all about like dimension, this look. It's like a really soft, see, you can kind of see that there. It's like a really soft glam look. You can use this for literally any occasion. This would be gorgeous for like a Christmas Eve, a Christmas party with a red lip. Absolutely stunning. So for lashes, I'm going to use my number 7s by Peaches and Cream as always. So yeah, I'm going to go and put these on and then I'll be back to show you the rest of my face. So I've just put a bit of mascara on, not trying to like make my lashes look cute or anything, but as you can see it's actually like a really nice look just with mascara, so you don't have to wear lashes with it if you don't like lashes. Just like a lot of mascara like to like add to the really smoky look would look absolutely stunning, but I've got to stick with my number 7s from Peaches and Cream. They are my go-to. They are just the best. Also, so I got a bit ahead of myself and I did the rest of my face, but I'm going to do my highlight. I got sent this by a brand called Thin Lizzy, and this is their highlighter trio. It's absolutely stunning. It's like a really like subtle sheen. It's not got any like glitter to it and it doesn't seem to be clinging on any like texture. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to use my Barry M Kohl pencil in black. Please excuse my dog, she's fighting with my other dog. And I'm going to put this in my waterline. I don't know why, but I love like when you do a smoky eye, a closed off waterline. It's just, it looks so stunning. It reminds me of Emilee. So I'm going to use the same brush that I used to pack on the black, and I'm going to mix the shade Hi Dude and Fast Lane, which are these two shades here, and just pack this along my lower lash line. As you can see, it's like connected to the wing. And then back in with this brush, no extra product again, and just blend those edges. I'm just going to apply extra highlight on this inner section. I feel like it kind of like creates like a really nice like cat eye kind of almond eye shape, which is one of my favourites. So yeah, I'm going to kind of drag the inner corner highlight down a bit. I think a brown lip would look stunning with this look, but I'm just going to use a nude. And then the product of the day, which is the Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish in Brunch Drunk. Look at that. That is everything. So yeah, that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below whether you prefer like my more natural, well not natural, but like more neutral looks, or if you prefer like my colourful glam looks. And yeah, I will see you all tomorrow.